Very good morning everyone. Welcome to Unified Study. This is Tulasi doing paper 1 most tricky questions asked in June 2025 and also expect in December 2025 upcoming exam. So the last session we did the questions on research aptitude. Very good morning. Okay. Yes, good morning Rajeshwari ma'am. So today we are going to do questions on Indian logic tricky questions. So Indian logic has many different concepts there, but today we are going to focus on the first concept, pramanas. What are all the ways of we get knowledge? That 6 different pramanas we have, starts from perception, inference, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi and Shabda pramanas. These 6 different ways, right, we receive knowledge. So on these concepts we have got some tricky questions in our June 2025. That conceptual things that we have to get it clear. Before getting into concept, yesterday answer for the question, which is the following statement is false in the context of research. We did research aptitude questions, right? Option 4 is the right answer. It improves the quality of functioning of the area which it is conducted. See, improves quality is the main functioning of research, but here they have asked for false, tricky. Please do very careful about not, incorrect, false. All these things are very important. So here the right answer for this question is option number 4. Now we will move to today's question on Indian logic. Read the question, then we will start doing. The world is an effect and hence it must have an efficient and intelligent cause. That efficient and intelligent cause is called God. Which means of knowledge in this argument as per the classical Indian school of logic, Nyaya philosophy says? I am good, Rajeshwari ma'am. I am very good. Thank you. Let's do join quick. Yes, there is a keyword there. Effect, cause. Effect, cause. Read the keyword. Very good. Perception, inference, analogy, verbal authority. Yes, the right answer for this question is, before getting into the questions, there are some keywords that you have to understand here. The world is an effect and hence it is have an efficient and intelligent cause, right? That efficient and intelligent cause is called God. So here they are talking about what? They are talking about the cause and the effect. Which means of knowledge is used in this argument as per Indian school of knowledge, Nyaya school of philosophy? Here there are two conceptual things that you have to understand. Nyaya school of philosophy, right? They support what kind of pramanas? Definitely they cover all these pramanas. That they cover inference and then perception and then shabda pramana, and then they also cover comparison. All these pramanas has been accepted by Nyaya school of philosophy. We have orthodox school, heterodox school. Nyaya philosophy comes under orthodox school. So in the orthodox schools, right, it accepts the knowledge which is being received through inference. Inference means by means of making proper reasoning. Inference. Perception means through the sense organs I gain some knowledge. Perception. Shabda pramana means I gain knowledge through the trustworthy person. And C, comparison. That is, C means comparison. Very good morning, Deepika ma'am. Very happy morning. So these ways Nyaya philosophical schools accepts the knowledge received through these 4 pramanas, right? Here they talks about what? Cause and effect. Now tell me, which are all the pramanas related to cause and effect? What is perception? The knowledge that we receive through our sense organ. What is inference? Means I am going to make some reasoning. Reasoning means what? That inside that inference concepts we have, it is being done because of the cause and the effect. There I saw a smoke coming out of the hut or coming out of the home. So I am saying there is fire. So what is the reason here? I have seen the smoke coming out of that home. So I am saying there is fire at that home. So there is a cause and there is an effect. You got it? And that is inference. What is analogy? Analogy talks about comparing two things. Comparing, analogy. Then we don't have the cause and effect. And then verbal authority, words coming from a trustworthy person. According to this question, the right answer is inference. The argument here uses cause-effect reasoning. Cause and effect reasoning to establish the existence of God here. So the Nyaya school, the method is classified as what? Anumana or called inference. Am I clear, learners? Yes? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, very good. Very good. Here I have given the explanation also. You can just go through. What is that statement says, what is cause and effect, what is the premise, what is the rule, because anything is there is cause means, right, it will be having an effect. Every effect has a proper cause. This is how it has been happened. So it is an universal rule. And now I am saying the world has a cause, the cause is nothing but God. So this being accepted by Anumana. Next question. Read it carefully. Try to get the keywords, try to eliminate. This can be done only when we are very good in concepts. According to classical Indian school of logic, which of the following instruments of knowledge is defined as the knowledge of the relation between a word and its denotation, and it is produced by the knowledge of resemblance or similarity? Till this, no problem. First line, no, nothing is there, just a line. Instrument of knowledge defined as the knowledge of the relation between a word and its denotation. Recently we did. Denotation means what? Dictionary meaning. And it is produced by the knowledge of resemblance or similarity. I have taken all the keywords. Just do it. Very good. Do it. Do it. Very good, very good. Pratyaksh, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda, Pramana. Yes, the right answer for this question is easy. It is Upamana comparison. How? Where I am making a relationship between a word and its a denotation. So I am giving some kind of some comparison here produced by the resemblance or similarity. These are all the key lines that we have to catch in the question. This is nothing but what called Upamana, comparing two things. Right? Very good. Next question on board. Very good, Suraj Bala. Tamilarasi, Mohana, Bhavika, Deepika, very good. Deepa, Shriyari, very good. Next question on board. Vyapti in Indian logic refers to what? Vyapti in Indian logic refers to what? Vyapti in Indian logic refers to what? Very good, very good. Read the question. Waiting for your answers. Vyapti in Indian logic. Vyapti. Very good. Soundarya, give an answer. Bhavika, Mohana, very good. Try to first eliminate the options. Try to eliminate. There are some terms that we know. People may struck with the Sanskrit terms over here, but there are some words that we are aware of. Okay, the right answer for this question is option number 3 is the right answer. So first we'll go with this one. What is Vyapti? And then also with other options I will tell you. Vyapti means the relationship between the reason and the major term. Okay. See, when I talk about smoke, when I talk about fire, how can I say? I can say they see there is a smoke. Why I am saying smoke? Because there is a fire, that's why smoke coming out of it. So whenever there is a smoke, definitely there will be fire. That is a logical reasoning, right? So there is a strong connection between that smoke and the fire, and that relationship we call it as what? Vyapti. That relationship we call it as what? Vyapti. Whenever there is a smoke, definitely there will be a fire. Whenever there is a smoke coming out of some place, there will be some fire will be there inside it. So we can't separate that relationship between that smoke and the fire, and that we call it as Vyapti, and that is nothing but invariable concomitants. We cannot avoid them. They are not separable. They are connected together, and that we call invariable concomitants. And here we have a term logical contradiction. What do you mean by logical contradiction? Logical contradiction means an opposite one. Some statement contradicts the reason, right? Some reason contradicts that statement, right? And that we call logical contradiction. That is not Vyapti. And then next one we have direct perception. Direct perception is nothing but what? It is pratyaksh or we can say perception. And then verbal testimony, it is nothing but shabda pramana. So we can eliminate all the three. Here we can get invariable concomitants. Next question. Here I have given the explanation. Please do go through. Vyapti means the necessary, universal, and invariable means I can't separate them. Invariable concomitants between the reason and the conclusion, and that we call Vyapti. So there is a fire on the hill because there is a smoke. So here what I mean, the reason is the smoke, sadhya is the fire, the relationship which I cannot avoid. Whenever there is a smoke, there is a fire. That we call Vyapti. Okay, is it clear? Very good. The right answer is invariable concomitants. Do this question. I want 100% right answer for this question. Question asked in June 2025. The term universal concomitants in Indian logic is Hetu, Drishtata, Sadhya and Vyapti. Do share with your friends. All these questions was being asked in June 2025 will be most useful for understanding the concepts. Here we not only do the previous year question, we also do the concepts. So that will be most useful for the learners who are preparing for your December exam. Do share with your friends, like the session so that more videos can be able to do that one. Very good. Deepa, Tamilarasi, Bhavika, Pavitra, Mohana, Surajpala. Yes, very good. The right answer for this question is it is Vyapti. Just now we discussed the term universal concomitants. I can't avoid, I cannot separate them, right? It's called Vyapti. The relationship between the reason and the major term. Hetu means what? Hetu means reason. Hetu means what? It is called reason. Drishtata means what? It is called example. And then Sadhya is nothing but a propandum or called major term of a premise. And then Vyapti is the universal concomitants, a relationship between the Hetu and Sadhya which we cannot avoid. Clear? Very good. Next question. Which means of knowledge involves deriving the knowledge from linguistic utterances of reliable person? Very easy one. Which means of knowledge involves deriving knowledge from linguistic utterances of reliable persons? Very good. Upamana, Arthapatti, Pratyaksh Shabda. Very good. 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 The right answer for this question here, what is the keyword? Linguistic utterances of a reliable person. Nothing but Shabda. Shabda means what? Through a words coming from a trustworthy person, I gain some knowledge. And that we call Shabda. Anumana means what? I infer through proper reasoning. Arthapatti means what? Doing the postulation, assuming something. Pratyaksh means what? Getting a direct perception. Okay, right. So our first three options will not be there. Fourth one will be the trustworthy person. So Anumana comes from the reasoning. Arthapatti comes from the postulation or assuming things. Pratyaksh is nothing but getting the sensory knowledge, and Shabda means by verbal testimony, gaining words from the trustworthy person, gaining knowledge from trustworthy person. Very good, very good. Read this question carefully and then do. A university student is never seen to be writing or reading during the day time, but she always submits her assignments in time. Therefore, read. Very good, very good. Yes. Very good, Saundarya ma'am. Very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number 2. This is Arthapatti. What they are doing, they are postulating, they are assuming. Therefore, one can conclude that she must be studying and writing during the daytime according to the Mimamsa school of classical Indian school of philosophy. Comes under orthodox schools of philosophy. This particular school, right, Mimamsa school, accepts all the 6 pramanas noted down in your notebook. This Mimamsa schools of philosophy accepts all the 6 pramanas, starts from perception, inference, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi and Shabda pramana. All these 6 pramanas was been accepted by Mimamsa school, and here they are talking about Arthapatti. Arthapatti means assuming something. The student is never seen studying during the daytime, yet she submits her assignments on time. To explain, we postulate, we assume, we pre-assume things that she must be studying in the night. Pramana accepted by Mimamsa school, Arthapatti. Very good. What is Anumana? Reasoning. Anupalabdhi means the non-existence gives some knowledge, and Alaukika perception means it is beyond. Alaukika means through the sensory organs, and Alaukika is beyond the perception where we can gain knowledge. Like Yogacha means what? We have that intuition powers or other, right? We call Alaukika Pratyaksh, right? Very good. Next question on board. Do this one. This question from inference. The types of inferences that we have, right? From that, read it properly. These are the type and then tell me. Reasoning based on resemblance. Reasoning made by elimination. Reasoning with the support of what is to be found in the sphere of senses objects. Reasoning by keeping discussion within limits and by drawing attention to the point under discussion. You may know the concept, but here are the words. Waiting for the answers. Yes. Do it. Yes, very good, very good. Very good, very good, Surya. Yes, started giving answers. Very good. Yes, yeah, right. Yes, very good, very good. Even with one, we can get the answer correct. The right answer is option number three. Bhavika, Mohana, Muthu Kumar, Vidya. Yes, giving. Don't worry, even if you get wrong answer. Now we are in the phase of learning. Every day doing the previous year question. That too with the concepts we are doing. Understanding the core concepts that makes us to do better in the upcoming examination. Because in examination, same this match the following is not going to be asked, but these concepts can be repeated in any different forms. So don't forget, here we are learning the concepts that will be helpful, that only will be helpful. We will not ever never got the same question in any of the examinations. Sometimes here and there, and out of 100 and 150, one or two we have got the repeated question, not everything, right? So here the right answer is option number 3. So what is this? The reasoning based upon the resemblance to what has been observed in the past. Purva Tanmana, what is an example? Purva Tanmana looking at the dark clouds, right? Inference, looking at the dark clouds, I'll say it will rain. So that we call it as the resemblance what has been observed, because I have seen before whenever dark clouds came it will rain, and that is called Purvat Anumana. We can connect it with option number 2. And then option number B is what? Reasoning by the method of elimination. That is called Sheshavat Anumana. Sheshavat Anumana means what? It is making an inference from the effect to the cause, right? So here I used to eliminate the things which has been happened, method of elimination. That is B1. And then reasoning with the support of what is to be found in the sphere of senses object. It is Samyodhishrita. Means what? I am just looking the motion of that moon, that says that moon is revolving around, right? And that is the sphere of senses object. Looking at the moon, it says it's moving around because it is the position is moving around every day, right? That is the senses objects. Drishtita. The reasoning by keeping the discussion within the limits. What is this discussion within the limit? Nothing but pratijana, that is proposition that I have to prove. So I am keeping my discussion because this is what I have to prove. So I may keep my discussion only with that proposition. And by drawing an attention to the point under discussion. So D, it is 3. See, pratijana we all know, right? To make a proper reasoning we have to PYQUN, that is pratijana, hetu, udaran, upanayan, nigmana. These are the steps that I have to cross to make a decision, to make an inference, right? So in the first point is nothing but pratijana, where that is a proposition that I have to prove. So that point makes me very clear, this is my boundary, this is what I have to discuss. So that's see how lengthy they have given. So option number D, the right answer is pratijana. So here I have given the explanations. You can just go through this explanation. So according to this question, the right answer is option number 3. So learners, please don't forget, every day small steps we are taking for 20 minutes to 30 minutes to solve the PYQs. Not only we are solving the previous year question, also we are learning the concept. That conceptual understanding only will help us in the examination, next upcoming examination. With that related, so many questions we are getting. So solving the concepts along with the previous year question consistently every day for 20 to 30 minutes. This is a small step. Small steps, right? Focusing on the latest pattern. Definitely that will yield you a good result, better results. That also gives you confidence that you are preparing your latest concepts. So do share with your friends. If you want to join the paid course, the regular course going on in the app, you can just contact 9942659836, or you can visit unifystudy.com website. Their paper 1 link is there, link also given in the description. You can join the course by giving super 20 coupon. And this is the problem given for your homework. Try to answer, read the question properly and give the answer in the comment section. Tomorrow we will join with the another interesting tricky concepts. Thank you so much. Do share with your friends, that will be most helpful to them also. Don't forget to like. Tata, bye.